All right, turn around and we'll finish up with the knees, okay? All right, this is gonna feel a little funny. Gonna push right into the knee, all right?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna find these two joints in here. There we go. And same thing on this side. There we go. All right, my friend, give that a shot, see how you feel.